Good afternoon. May the 26th, 2015. Time to recap our trading activity today in the 30-year bond. We came in today because of the 2-year auction, really liking the long side of the market, wanting to buy into weakness. Our buy zone was 1 to 5 or 13 to 17, and we had a low of 54.07. So we got through our first buy zone, didn't quite make it to our second buy zone. First trade of the day, the news was negative, so we got short right here off a software generated trade and promptly lost for 30 seconds. This buy would have been a good trade, but it didn't trigger within the second bar, so we passed on that particular trade. We did not get our setup off the value area high right here that we like, so we passed on this trade. So we finally get our trade about 30 minutes into the day session off of a retest failure setup, and that gave us 6 to 14 30 seconds. We're making higher lows, so we're not really interested in getting short till we retest this high, so we pass on this trade. It doesn't trigger by breaking that bar's low. Software generated trade with the letter B underneath that bar gave you 2 30 seconds. A software generated trade with the letter B under that bar gave you 6 to 10 30 seconds. A software generated trade with the letter B under that bar gave you 6 to 22 30 seconds. A software generated trade with the letter B under that bar gave you just 1 30 second. Still getting higher lows, so we're not interested in the short side of the market. Software generated trade with the letter B underneath that bar gave you 6 to 15 30 seconds. We pass on these S's. And a software generated trade with the letter B under that bar that gave you 6 to 8 30 seconds. So we had 8 trades total that gave you 33 30 seconds. If you took the low number, there was a lot more money there. If you kind of traded in between, you got closer to perfection. We had one loser. We lost 4 30 seconds. That gave you 29 30 seconds, or $906 per position traded. This is a great contract to trade. It's very, very consistent. It's very, very reliable at the edges. If you don't know much about the 30-year bond, you ought to take a look. Do yourself a favor. Find out more about us. Come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our website, you'll get information on the software and our methodologies. Further encourage you to take a look at us. We give you 5 free days in the main trading room where we trade crude, gold, the euro, the 30-year bond, the 10-year note, and the e-money. Contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com or call us directly at 312-361-3895. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer. In the meantime, I wish you good trading.